Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Password cracking is the process of attempting to gain unauthorized access to a system by guessing or deciphering passwords. It is a technique used by both malicious actors and security professionals. Hackers use password cracking for illegal activities. Security researchers use it to identify vulnerabilities. There are various methods of password cracking. Brute force attacks involve trying all possible password combinations. Dictionary attacks use lists of common passwords. Understanding these techniques helps us strengthen our defenses and protect our systems. Ethical hacking plays a crucial role in improving cybersecurity. Ethical hackers use their skills to identify vulnerabilities before malicious actors can exploit them. Password cracking tools, when used ethically, help organizations strengthen their security posture. By simulating real-world attack scenarios, ethical hackers can assess the effectiveness of security controls. This includes testing the strength of passwords and identifying weaknesses in password policies. Ethical hacking is essential for building more secure systems and protecting against cyber threats. Kali Linux is a Debian-based operating system specifically designed for penetration testing and ethical hacking. It comes equipped with a wide range of tools, including Hydra, making it a popular choice among security professionals. Kali Linux provides a controlled environment for security testing. Its tools and features enable ethical hackers to assess the security of systems and applications. Kali Linux is a powerful resource for anyone looking to learn about cybersecurity or enhance their skills. Section 5. Setting up Hydra. Hydra is, a powerful password cracking tool available in Kali Linux. To use Hydra, you need to install it first. So open the terminal in Kali Linux and type the command sudo apt-get install Hydra. Hydra will then be installed on your system, ready for use. Once installed, Hydra is a command line tool that requires specific parameters to function correctly. Understanding these parameters is essential for using Hydra effectively. We will explore these parameters in the following sections. Section 6. Basic Hydra usage. Hydra is a powerful tool used for brute force attacks on various services. To use Hydra effectively, you need to specify three main components: the target system, the service you are trying to crack, and the password list. These elements are crucial for Hydra to function correctly and efficiently. For example, let's say you want to crack the SSH password of a server with the IP address 192.168.1100. Using a password list named passwords.txt. The command you would use is hydra lroot ppasswords.tsext sesh //192.168.1.100. This command tells Hydra to use the username root and the password list passwords.txt to attempt to gain access to the SSH service running on the specified IP address. Breaking down this command further, the L flag specifies the username you want to use, in this case, root. The P flag indicates the path to the password list file, which contains a list of potential passwords. The SJ part of the command specifies the service you are targeting, and 192.168. 1.100 is the IP address of the target system. Once you execute this command, Hydra will start attempting to authenticate to the target system using the credentials provided. It will systematically go through the password list, trying each password until it either finds the correct one or exhausts the list. This process can take some time, depending on the complexity of the password list and the security measures in place on the target system. Hydra's efficiency and speed make it a popular choice among penetration testers and security professionals for testing the robustness of system security. It's important to note that while Hydra is a powerful tool, it should be used responsibly and legally. Unauthorized use of Hydra to access systems without permission is illegal and unethical. Always ensure you have explicit permission to test the security of any system you are targeting with Hydra. By using Hydra responsibly, you can help identify and fix security vulnerabilities, making systems more secure and robust against potential attacks. Section 7. Advanced Hydra Techniques. Hydra offers various advanced techniques for password cracking. These techniques are designed to maximize efficiency and effectiveness, making it a powerful tool in the arsenal of cybersecurity professionals. One such technique is using a different password list for each username. This method increases the chances of finding the correct password by tailoring the attack to the specific user. This can be achieved using the L and P parameters. The L parameter allows you to specify a list of usernames, while the P parameter lets you define a list of passwords. By combining these two, you can create a more targeted and efficient attack. Another technique is specifying the port number of the service being targeted. This is particularly useful when the service you are attacking does not run on the default port. This is done using the S parameter. By specifying the port number, you can ensure that Hydra is directing its efforts at the correct service, thereby increasing the likelihood of a successful attack. Hydra also supports brute-forcing passwords based on a character set. This technique is useful when you have an idea of the password complexity, but do not have a specific password list. By defining a character set, you can instruct Hydra to try all possible combinations within that set. This can be particularly effective against passwords that follow a known pattern or complexity rule. By combining these techniques, you can enhance the effectiveness of Hydra in password cracking. For instance, you might use a targeted password list for known users, while simultaneously brute-forcing other accounts with a character set. This multifaceted approach can significantly improve your chances of success, making Hydra an indispensable tool for penetration testers and cybersecurity experts alike. Section 8. The importance of strong passwords. The effectiveness of Hydra highlights the importance of strong passwords. A strong password should be at least 12 characters long and include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using common words or personal information that can be easily guessed. Consider using a password manager to generate and store strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts. Regularly updating your passwords and enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. Section 9. Ethical considerations. Password cracking tools like Hydra are powerful and should be used responsibly and ethically. Unauthorized access to computer systems is illegal and unethical. Always obtain proper authorization before conducting any security testing. Use your knowledge and skills for good by helping others improve their security posture. Remember that ethical hacking is about identifying vulnerabilities to make systems more secure, not exploiting them for personal gain. In this chapter, we will explore the future of password security and the emerging technologies that could make passwords obsolete. As cyber threats continue to evolve, so too must our methods of protecting sensitive information. One promising area is biometric authentication, which uses unique biological characteristics like fingerprints, facial recognition, and even iris scans to verify identity. These methods are already being implemented in various sectors, offering a more secure and user-friendly alternative to traditional passwords. Another innovative solution is multi-factor authentication, which combines something you know, like a password, something you have, like a smartphone, and something you are, like a fingerprint. This layered approach significantly enhances security by making it much more difficult for unauthorized users to gain access. Emerging technologies such as behavioral biometrics, which analyze patterns in how you interact with devices, and decentralized identity systems that use blockchain technology, are also on the horizon. These advancements promise to provide more robust security measures while reducing the reliance on traditional passwords. As we look to the future, it's clear that the landscape of password security is changing. By staying informed and embracing these new technologies, we can help build a safer and more secure digital world.